Hi, I'm Emily O'Connor, Operations Director at FinTech Sandbox. I'm so happy to introduce our next startup, PunchPay, and their CEO and co-founder, Michael Lee. PunchPay offers small businesses post-payment micro-installment loans, creating a new financing mechanism for SMBs to access working capital after money has been spent. PunchPay provides a solution to the deeply underserved market of over 20 million small businesses that struggle to access working capital consistently and are too often left with the only option being predatory high-interest loans. Their team brings unique perspective to the small business lending space, having been small business owners themselves, in addition to their significant accounting experience. Please welcome Michael Lee, CEO and co-founder of PunchPay.
Hi, my name is Michael Lee. I am CEO and co-founder of PunchPay. PunchPay is helping small businesses access working capital through microloans on paid expenses. Access to capital is a constant struggle for over 20 million startups and small businesses in the US. Only a tiny percentage of small businesses raise venture capital, and the rest rely on personal credit when running their businesses. Or a few may have already existing banking relationships, but banks haven't caught up to the type of expenses that most small businesses now spend on today. There are many types of expenses that an entrepreneur cannot currently finance, such as consulting fees, website builds, annual software license agreements, key person life insurance, and many other non-physical purchases over $1,000. These types of expenses are often needed to move a business forward, but when the money is spent, usually doesn't align with the time it takes to see return on those expenses. This problem of small business capital access has also been heavily impacted by the changing purchasing behavior from using buy now, pay later installment products. Many consumers are also small business owners, yet there are not many options for installment loans in the small business space. Installment loans are a new norm, but not yet a common practice in small business spending. This is where PunchPay comes in. PunchPay has created a new way to finance your small business capital needs. By leveraging data in your small business accounting system, PunchPay offers you a line of credit to convert your paid small business expenses into microloans. For example, imagine needing to update your website with the web developer, knowing that updating the website will increase your sales. Unfortunately, there's currently not an easy way to finance an expenditure like website development. But with PunchPay, you can finance this type of expense easily by paying the web developer and then coming to PunchPay to finance it through your accounting system. This gives you back the working capital you need and extends your payments terms to align with when you're going to see revenue on that investment. By guiding the user to choose specific expenses to finance, we are training them on the types of expenses to finance and providing analytics for cash flow management, getting your cash the next day so that you can use that working capital back for the growth of your business. We are also helping users manage their cash better by aligning their debt usage with the specific expenses. Let me show you how it works. PunchPay immediately makes a line of credit available for a user once they connect their accounting system. Once in the platform, you will see that PunchPay has analyzed the accounting data, approved your front line of credit, and immediately downloads all of your expenses. The line of credit can be applied to any small business expense, and we show you the number of active loans you have with us. You decide on the expense you want to finance, click on Finance Now, and select the number of months you would like to pay back between 3, 6, or 9 months. We make it very clear on the payment terms, how much you've borrowed, when you'll pay it, and when it'll hit your bank account, and what the total fee is. You select the bank account you want your funds deposited into. Voila, you have a PunchPay installment loan. PunchPay has made it very easy to manage the active loans you have with us, letting you easily see and manage these loans for cash flow purposes, and also see the upcoming payments due, as well as any history on the loans you have with PunchPay. PunchPay lets you stack multiple loans with us as long as it doesn't go past the line of credit you've been approved on. It's that simple with PunchPay. Our journey began the past 2 years where we raised our initial funding round launched our core accounting API, and joined the FinTech Sandbox. We worked closely with accountants as part of the CPA.com accelerator to better understand the large amount of accounting data we were receiving. We also got accepted into Mucker Lab, worked with banks to understand how they underwrite small business loans. Our participation in FinTech Sandbox also allowed us access to small business data to inform our analytics engine for small business underwriting. For 2022, using our knowledge of accounting data and loan underwriting, we now offer micro-installment loans directly to small businesses. We're raising our next round and getting to 1,000 loans as fast as possible. After this year, we plan to launch a full suite of financial service products, such as a PunchPay credit card, small business checking account, and an SMB marketplace for additional small business products inside our platform. Because of our history working with accountants and wanting to rely on accurate accounting data, we launched PunchPay through our accounting network, accessing millions of small businesses that are on the QuickBooks Online platform. Small business customers who use accountants understand the value of their financial record keeping and have a stronger chance to qualify for financing in PunchPay. This is our QR code for any of you interested in becoming an early user. We look forward to connecting and getting your feedback. My co-founder Ali and I are both in person at the conference, so would love to connect with any of you in person. Thank you.